Good morning. This is a 91 Toyota Camry with a 2.5 liter engine. I'm going to post this video because I couldn't find any videos online that went over this vehicle for the issues that I were having. First came in with a crank no start, and after a few days of trying to figure out what that was, trying to replace the distributor, replacing the ignition control module, the ignition coil, still wouldn't spark, and come to find out that when the customer put the took the vehicle in, the air box right here, the map sensor right here, it was still connected and it was pulled out. And what happened, this is the old one, that right in here, the connectors, it just got all disconnected. So once I went to the junkyard and got the new one of that one, put that in, that honestly took care of the problem and gave me spark. Then I was still having a few more issues, but then I come to find out it was a throttle positioning sensor. I just needed to adjust that, and then I was able to idle without holding on to the gas pedal. But while I was started on this vehicle, replacing the fuel pump and all that stuff, I came to this, the timing belt, being all dry rotted and cracked out. Definitely no good. Can't really get a good quality of that. Let's see if I can zoom in and see. Not on that end, but yeah, I mean, on some parts it's pretty cracked. Still, again, I found out this is a non-interference engine, so I'm just able to put it at top dead center, and I already got the crankshaft pulley pulled off. You know, always have one of these babies. These things are a lifesaver, makes the job so much easier. And one of these bad boys. I think this is a, I forgot what size this is. It is a, yeah, I forgot what it is, but the adapter, this is a 1/2 inch, so I'm guessing this is 3/4 right here. But yeah, so I'm not gonna really take out this tooth right here. I should be fine leaving it in, but I should take it out actually, but it's in there pretty tight, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I do need to take that off though. So next part is just undo that. Forgot what that's called. I'm not really a certified mechanic, I'm just a backyard mechanic, but I know what to do. Oh, I need to take that off. That's what that is for. Got it. I was wondering what this was for. It just pushes that up, so I undo that. That loosens that up. Back that off. Got it. So yeah, I just thought maybe this video might help somebody, but I definitely would start there if you get a crank no start. Again, the customer was driving, went to a stop sign, and it just died. Wasn't able to start it, had to get it towed. They try to do a few things, but yeah, I just come to find out. I mean, it's just weird. I mean, I don't know how this could have messed it up for her. I'm not sure. And then once from that part to this part, got jacked up, and then it got worse when it came to me. So all right, well, I'll hit you up when I get it started.